So this is the first time I'm attending an NLP session, brain train, and I think it had some great insights to human behavior and especially self-actualization. And I think anybody who wants to make or any kind of change in their life, I would definitely want this to start with this. It's very basic and very easy, and the way Ridhima has delivered it, I think it was fantastic. And being in this profession myself, I think this was one of the really good programs I've attended after a very long time. The way the audience was interactive and the way she actually got them to do things and experience things, I think that was one of the USPs of this particular program. So it's not just about giving concepts, but it's also about the experience. I think not just anybody, I think everybody should be a part or have some kind of an exposure to concepts like these, because if everybody is able to make the changes, the society itself is going to be less stressful. So I would recommend it to anybody and everybody.